Hello and welcome to another video. The Forex market is experiencing a period of quiet trading with little direction and low volatility. It is expected to remain subdued until the release of US core personal consumption expenditures, which is due on May 31st. This climate of low volatility has led to increased interest in carry trades. And I think MXNJPY trade is particularly attractive in the current environment. Low volatility environment makes the Japanese yen the most attractive funding currency. Historically, yen-funded carry trades have underperformed during such periods. This makes the MXNJPY an excellent choice for carry trading. In March, we saw 25 BP cuts in interest rates by the Bank of Mexico. However, at the May meeting, the central bank unexpectedly turned hawkish, indicating that the current policy would be maintained. The bank said that it will not cut rates independently of the Fed due to significant revisions to its core inflation forecast. The policy of maintaining a strong peso for a more few months was the reason behind this stance, and this keeps the high-risk adjusted carry of MXN a go-to strategy with ultra-low JPY. So I think that the sustainability of BOJ's intervention remains a key point of uncertainty. But if the market starts to question Japanese intervention, a move to the 9.50 level for the MXN-JPY pair is possible within this week. Also, if forecasts for a fall in Japanese inflation in April are realized this Friday, the MXN-JPY will move higher.